How to remove card from DraftKings. If you have deposited an amount from your card to your DraftKings account and your card details is now saved in your DraftKings account and you want to remove your card details from DraftKings account, then this video is for you. So watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important steps. First, you have to log into your account, your DraftKings account on your DraftKings Sportsbook or Casino app. Then tap your profile photo in the top right corner. Then tap Financial Center. There you will find Statements and Transactions. Tap on it. Then tap the Payment Methods tab. After that, you just need to simply click on the payment method you would like to remove. In these steps, you must need to choose your card that you want to remove from your DraftKings account. Choose the card and then tap Remove Payment. Then tap Delete to confirm you want to remove the payment method. After selecting the card details that you want to remove from the DraftKings account, then you just need to simply click on delete to confirm the remove from account. Then you will see a confirmation that your payment method has been removed. That means now your card details is completely removed from your DraftKings account. That's how you can remove card from DraftKings account. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another informative video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.